Make you explain. Hello. Yeah, man, I'm say call. You like you know tell me as it happen, and I want me to speak pidgin English. Maybe people for a year.
Okay, bros, no problem, bros.
Come on, right on.
Okay, I can talk now. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. The boy, not be me the boy the date.
Okay.
So my girlfriend with the guy that they stay house and the boy the date.
Okay.
So the boy the day where I started to see the boy now the 24th of April when my girlfriend come from Nigeria, I go pick my girlfriend from airport. As I reach airport, I give my girlfriend flower. I go see the other person can still give her flower. And I go say, who be this boy? Say that this boy want come pick us because maybe go meet her, move forget her enter train, come house, me help and carry load. So I can see the boy carry car come, now the boy come airport, drive us come house. So as we reach house, the boy come, follow us, stay small. My friend offload things, so he break home. We all call us today. I can cook that day, we come eat. Later the boy go us. So from that day, the boy come. I go say, I will be this boy. He said my boyfriend. Okay. I not pick on the question, my friend. So be this. Now adults. So I just rest for that part. The boy come. They come our house. Feel come in the evening, go press bear. So during my friend's birthday on the 5th of April, the boy come our. I say he want to take us go club. So that before the boy come, I bring out some gold. Go for bed and wait till I want to dress. I don't carry my bag of gold come out that day. As the boy reach our house, because if my guy boyfriend come, I go excuse them from my room because my room I arrange my room. So they will use my room. I just stay for the other room because that one not today. I arrange the parties there. I can't leave man. I can't. When I dey make up, the boy come. He take one of the Van Cleef, which was for the fifth.
I bet hold on a minute, please, guys. Let's concentrate on what she's saying. Mona leave, make she come up alone. She just want to talk. I beg, because now she, the thief are good. According to the explanation now her friend that the boy they date, Mona listing. And Mona record her because I go put the boy picture last. So continue.
So the boy take one handshake, come meet me. They make up for Betty, come meet me. It's better than Van Cleef with this. Real Van Cleef. I say no, bros, not be Van Cleef. Now good Van Cleef. You say if he say na real Van Cleef, you don't want to say now too much money. Now we just come and say no, bros, not be real Van Cleef. Come go drop him. Which is on the 5th. We come go club. We come back. The boy do 3 days. I think 3 days for our house. I leave room for them. Stay parlor. So after that day, the following week, he get one man we pull address for my house. The man, they want come my house on Wednesday evening. He just come see me.
Yeah.
Come from UK. Now Wednesday the boy call us. Now me will send this Barry because I'm my friend for WhatsApp. After when they date my friend, so because if my friend we don't date, we come be like sister. So he can't get my number. So I go just say they call sister, not they pick up. Which even my friend get my boyfriend number. That one I'm normal.
Yeah.
So I can't send them some place. Say bro, see this place. So you can't say okay, you carry us if you get time. As I your face, we can't call me. Say what can take us go. The place don't make reservation. That's the Barry. So whether they call Isaiah. I said, bros, you know, say me they go out for weekdays except we cannot even be the acting type. Say no more, go don't make reservation. I don't want to offend my friend because my friend a person where they, as in, she be like sister to me. Me no even they do follow her the way she they do follow me. I see even do follow me pass. So because when I say okay, no problem, me I just follow their go. Now that day where I carry, which is last 2 weeks Wednesday on the 9th, like see me. Carry the bus come out because as I did my room, I know say I bring out that bus and the day I was I take pendant and chain I take from there. I don't carry much. So I can't keep the bag. We go just as the restaurant we go that day. As we come back from the restaurant to come us, he drop us, then he go back. And with my sister, with me, I say okay, my sister, then go hotel, then not sleep us that day. On Thursday of it, the man where to address from my house come early in the morning. Before I go work as he come, I give him a key. Don't be the key where get my room key. The one where just get the entrance and the passage door. That's like sister key. So now I give him my own. I don't give him my own because my own get key to my room. When that man come, I lock my room door. Go walk. The man I part of the man sit down foot. On Friday, the man, that on Thursday, when me day work, my friend with the boy, so the so-called Barry, they come. They call us. I thought if you say my friend will pass there, go work, she don't go work. So now I say, you call us. I don't know say you call us. I for drop my room key for now. So now part of my wife upstairs, because no problem. They come even day parlor with Barry and the man, they parlor, they come they cook. When we come from work, I come meet them. Or house, we just consider the gist. So on Friday of it, the man still come. I still lock my door. Barry not there, as not there, because that Thursday, so we go back. So on Friday, not there around. On Saturday, I still lock my door that Friday. On Saturday, day house, I know they go on Saturday. Now the man and the man, like day house, Barry not there. So police come put the man down on Saturday. The man go back. On Sunday, the man just come greet us in the evening. When the man come greet us, keep not do it again. Now me open door for her for down. As you want to come out, I open door for her, he come out. The man still there was that they say when the man come. We just got that gist before the man come out. On Monday of 5th, because that this week, so when this man take this our house and the new buy the new landlord come and say normally they pay on the 20, on the 15th. The landlord say we need to they pay. And for Belgium, we need to they pay the house rent before the 8th. I was like, you not let me know. He said no, now the day. I said okay, no problem. And I just said take my money, so they go pay the house rent. Because later my friend go give me his own part. Me, I said just pay am first. So my friend go say no problem. This following month, after the man don't come out on Sunday, on Tuesday of the following week, my friend go give me his own part. I can't keep am because we don't already pay the house rent. I just can't keep am for where they keep money. With some of the money where they the money where they go be like 600 or 700. I can't keep am for my bedside. This one already come out on Sunday. We not there our house again before they keep this money. So on Tuesday, Barry come our house. Now on Tuesday, I want to go work. I lock my door. On Wednesday, I lock my door. On Thursday, as I want to lock my door, my girlfriend feels somehow because not be waiting what they do. If my boyfriend there around, she they open her door, with the open door, we know they lock door. You know understand? It come like say I come they do one kind, they follow my friend, they suspect our own guy. I'm not there free with our own guy. I just leave the door. Moreover, the boat not be waiting they keep for normal place. I keep her for inside luggage. Put hide them for where close day. If you know the person where see something, you know if you know say go to that place. So start that Thursday. Now that Thursday, now I not lock my door. Now Barry come my house reach. On Friday, I not check. I not they go out. Now when I want to go out, I go carry my box of goods. See take this I they go out. On Saturday, I not check them. On Sunday, I want to go buy something for shop. I draw the locker. I know you all see the money. I come to because now I see they pack my letters. They put. I was okay. No need the money. I don't want to use that. I take for money for my wallet. Go buy things. On Monday of it, I don't have staff to 5 in the morning. The thing move me. Say check that money where. I say I draw the locker. The thing not there. The money not there. Now I just call Flora. Say babe, how far? This morning. I don't say me I check out because me if I find something, but you know the pepper, they say so they know they count that. No, this one the money not there. I keep on. They say you know say that they keep money, but check out we not see. I said I take flash go my go. As I draw my gold boss, not today. The silver boss wait just there, they just carry am. The rest he turn am. That's why I call police. Police come, they check everything. The car where the boy take all they pick us waiting they come here. We give the plate number to police. They say na rented car. And they tell say na your car. We begin call that boy. The boy not pick our call. I write message. I drop voice note. He not pick. Later in the day, come read the message. No reply. To dates. So now when my friend, uncle they tell, I don't know which girl my friend tell for Germany. I don't want to use another number. Take call am. Say they want bring a picture out for Facebook. And so you go to for Belgium. Before you can use another strange number, take call us for direct. Say which kind talk be this one? Why would they accuse her of stealing? Blah blah blah. You know they around now. He go come. The next day come see us no go station. And if even police even get your plate number. Now rented car. I say why my friend go even snap a plate number.
Imagine.
So from there, now the woman will take my next compound. I say okay, no problem. I don't go meet the woman because the woman get camera for their entrance. Don't go play the camera for us. The camera come picture that same Thursday. So when the boy, the so-called Isaiah, they come our house that Thursday. Before we come from work in the afternoon around 10 hours, carry bag enter our house. The bag now you not show the way they carry come out. And this boy not do step come our house. He not carry bag come our house down Thursday. Before that video, after that video, he later come our house in the evening. Come stay till evening. Not carry anything come. Not carry anything come.
Okay.
Now since then we begin to call this boy. The number we'll get for WhatsApp, you know they pick, you know they reply us, you don't even block us. The number where people they go for direct, you know they pick the call again. If we call like they put us for call busy. If they reject our call, even his so-called girlfriend now, you know they pick the girl call, nothing.
Okay. You don't explain your whole side of the story finish.
Yeah.
That your girlfriend, sister, you sure say you ask her if you know about the gold?
I don't ask her, me with her day house. She said she don't even get anything about the boy. I saw the matter be bros. Now my own goal the boy carry. How is the boy even take inside? The thing many. I don't feel like. Not go even reason now. Why you take everything? Why? Now this one be the boy where I know they do anything. I never offend them one day.
I'm gonna say.
I don't know.
I want to ask you again. There is an adage in Benin that says, "As a born local man, Osiweni inu agbaru wani. When ye de to by a good in we are."
We paper or mine. Yeti do CN to Mama Hana, my equipment 26 years. 26 years. And now my back my father one is from I think it's going to 8 or 9 years. The Makero, I don't know who send that boy. Whether they send her, come say they'll feel use through my friend, take get me, or the boy just come on your own, come see him, then make it come thief my own gold. I don't really know.
Okay. Are you the Wakarish now for police station? Tamima.
No, I don't report for Belgium. I still go Germany, own place, because the name won't know I put Nabari.
Okay.
So I go Germany. As I go Germany, I go station, go show police a picture. They come bring in.
The name come outside.
The name Isaiah Iraoyi, whatever. So they can't tell us we still lay complaint there. They say okay, don't find them. Like for them to even come up for there, come bench or come steal, and still big crime. So they say they will find them. They'll get back to us. I say okay, no problem.
Okay. Let's see. Wow, no more boy good, you know we now. You want me carry juju put? I be you know in all those things.
No, they not. I know juju or no juju. So if I may bring back, if you not bring her come out, now they'll come take action.
Okay.
For now, may bring her come. Now police, I don't go report him at again. If you not bring her come, now their problem will come day.
Okay.
Because if they deny, like me, get what the person they suspect say not be the boy. If they bring juju where they keep person this time, say this boy where they laugh for it, I not go even look back where this time because now that boy now carry my goal, nothing where anybody want to tell me.
Okay.
Yeah.
No problem. And you go see your good. Why me good you were?
Thank you, bros. Where's your brother?
No problem. Okay. My people, they say this boy say he don't do a lot of people for one night. As in, he don't do a lot of people. Why yo? He get one girl will call me just now. Be Jennifer be her name. Let me call her back. And he come home because I asked just now. Elle même il est là, il a tune ya ti we ma. Somebody call me just now. Before I enter life, another person call me. One they see, when I will be women for this European, one they look the kind of gas. When they date, and they look the kind of person when they date. One they listen to know.
Hello?
Hello.
Good afternoon, Pa.
Good afternoon.
Hello?
Talk. Would they hear you?
Hey, Pa, that guy when you post the picture just now, I don't know whether you will remember 2022. April 2. My son birthday can be April 4. So I can't do party. I can't invite this boy. He renamed Isaiah Iraoyi. I even go police station. Say if I give police he fine.
Nah, yeah.
So he can't tell me say if they send money or that day we all come to so if they send money go Nigeria in case if I get money when I want send. And really I want really send money. I can't say okay me not worry tomorrow I'll let her know. That night when I sleep the way I take dream was not good. I can't go get education. I want to go do one. He said taxi. He can't send me voice record. He can't say mama beg if you still get that money. He really need the euros. So he say I don't know what he say they buy from US. He go credit me naira. I can't say okay no problem. I can't tell her. He say just drop me for a place. I just say maybe not even he ask. I reached there, he sent me, he gave me a lot. He said he don't do the money. And the 2 accounts when I give him, he put on, I think the money was 20 million. The 2 accounts when I give him, he put on. It can't be like a detailed slip. They send the 2 of them exactly 1402. I go to them and say, this money never enter. Now my personal account I give you, Jennifer Igbenigi. And I say, sir, the money not there inside. He said, no. As you want to follow the drag, some guys who in my area for Dortmund, I can't send the text message here. See where I do.
You call me put for this kid that time.
Yes, now 30,000 euros.
But you know, cause when you money serious in your
I go here. I find out go Nigeria. We carry a jail we see. Now then for come for Nigeria say na ex-convict, person with the sentence to death for Nigeria. After carrying na release them. Now Nigeria they for come we go arrest. You no get papa, you no get mama, you uncle. See, I even see get their numbers. We go arrest the baby mama for Africa. They go they cry. Then they go to the explain. Say the boy say don't say where they thief. He say they don't already sentence her to death. Now Abakari release her. He give Abakari 25 cars. Now he take run go Libya. From Libya he come enter Europe. Nothing we will not do. 5 that I will not see. Even one bros who they call below, people go know her for Snapchat too. He even call her for my matter that time, beg her. He don't say he go return the money. But till today, that boy not return 1 naira. As he packed the money, and so he take jump window. Me say me open door for the people when he send text message to because we already they drag for now 30,000 euros. And so you have to pack the money, you jump window. And so you take run, leave everything for the house. So when we go the scatter years, like go to see the go to be saying one man I give her, not being use the paper rental. I can't see file. He file, his name, his details. I can't go give police for Jamie. I can't say police say CCC or police go say okay no problem. But since then I not going hear from police again. We vote for Nigeria. Nothing will not do. This boy not return 1 naira. I can't go Ayelala. The Ayelala man after I don't come out, he can't call the man say he go send the man 1 million. Even he still get 1 baby mama for Jamie. He still get girlfriend for 2 days off. I find all of them. No one. Now the baby mama wey dey Jamie, they even help me to get the details for Africa that time.
I beg these people now when you all see you thief their gold, they need their family house.
I get
Woman Aladia, if you not come outside, they are away.
This boy, this 30,000 euros. I get it, papa. Even the baby mama wey born for Africa, I get the number. I even know that some place now for go make the arrest. Now no when I police trace like not be money when I spend for that case. And so this boy take pack money he take jump window till today. He can't call me mama and I was really good to her. He get friend for 2 days of that time. If the girl they come, he has not get 1 and I go beg me say whether I will be help her. I will give her 50 euro. I will give her 100 euro. Even when the day when I go here so with it I go fried rice when I cook for my pikin birthday. He still did this boy house. I don't use mad based on all of us now one will be one Africa. Nothing when I not save he go send me voice note. Mama, you too good to me. Don't worry. Once it's 10 o'clock in the morning, you'll see me, I'll bring your money call for you. Till today, I don't see that boy. 1 naira I not pay for his 30,000 euros. Even as I see the video, I don't see call him papa for Africa. That one say he not send her thief make they leave her because the man is uncle because he don't lost his parents, but now the man trainer. Now the man even come explain to us say na jail, now they for leave her, now he take go Libya. The boy na really adding criminal. If the girl needs the details of the family for Africa, me contact me for my TikTok page. I'll fit give him because we really go arrest them. That time.
Send everything for send everything for me. They'll carry your uncle again. They'll carry baby mama. They'll carry your uncle. They'll carry baby mama.
Baby mama uncle won't kill her. That one.
Isaiah, I don't say they wash me.
We will give her 10,000 naira.
Out of 1,008, you must join these people. They wash me. If you not return those gold, your baby mama they'll carry on. Yeah, Motai. They hear you.
I saw this boy take thief for a power. Till today, that boy, he not bring 1 naira come out. I don't know what say I do now. Not be my boyfriend. I never dated this boy before. People for Jamie can't carry the matter. Say maybe I did date. I get mad that time. I even get mad. Me and my man did safe. I want even go send the money. Now your account. I want even put. He even know my man. He don't even follow my man talk for phone. I don't know what say I do this.
You not get mad again.
I get mad. Yes.
You say you get mad that time. God bless you.
I want to use on me. They say me and man, they like people call the carry the room say I be the date and I can. Now money I want send go out. So I don't know what I do the boy. Till today I never see understand what I do. Isaiah 30,000 euro. In name na Isaiah era we. Now me even give a fight to police all the details when I come.
You know, say you can't say you want to put her for my hand.
Yes, na.
But you not gonna give me money.
People they ask me, say, you sure say you know the data? You say I the data, and I not really the data.
No, you not gonna give me money now. I remember. I can't say may you give me
money. Okay, now the other EPA too. I the money for the other EPA, yes.
You not say for me. I can't say
no, not be you.
Give me 300. You say you will get back to me. I'm not hear from you.
Not the money when I spend for that case, EPA too much. Imagine person where they lost the 10,000 euros. Not be money when they take go arrest for.
You see another guy no return the gold. This one now you go see another if you no return the gold.
May return now on a thief as I.
Well, I'm your idea. You return the gold.
He name Isaiah Era. We did that picture. Now he be that. All the details. I even see them my phone. He video. The day when I go send the money for years, now 500 euro notes. When the video day my phone. That boy. That's why he takes the money. I don't care what I do Isaiah.
Correct.
So when I see ask her that one, I will send you all the details now if I end this call.
Send me. Send me.
Okay.
I will not confess you with the girl with the still there, with the new street go so. I'll call me, okay?
Okay.
I will just confess on her too, so that I'll write and say, Isaiah scam 2 people. If you know say this boy does scam you, call me. Now, this one go hard for me to leave. So this one has 60,000 euro for gold. Now don't say some girls they now gold that they buy. Those are classic babes. Even if na shower they take do, I don't concern me. As I say they never marry. Hello.
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 It
was say.
Domo sir. Now my friend get the gold with the thief, but not me and she know they stay the same house, but now my friend. So now I be won't call you, make I tell you say we need person will give us the boy family address. We'll give the person 1,000 euro. But since person already come and say get the family address, I beg. Tell that girl say all of us will need that.
How much you want to give me? Me will come make you get it. You want give person 1,000?
Don't worry, we'll gift you for this TikTok life. We need that boy family address. I beg.
Whoa.
I beg.
No give.
I beg.
Bring 500 euro for himself. Before I release our 1,000 none be they look for none of been one go pay. Me go collect 500.
We go give you. We go give you.
Not be the one who want gift for TikTok. Because it may tell them yeah, but so name if you see that the ask of month, you will not say
now.
Speak don't jump from my mouth.
Now.
Yeah.
Now.
You know.
We need the boy family address.
No problem. No problem. Wanna add me? What add me?
Okay. Okay.
Guess what? Like, I don't like boys that bleach. I don't like boys that bleach. I like them dark skin. I like them dark skin. I like them dark skin. I don't like boys that bleach. I don't like boys that bleach. I like them dark skin. I don't like girls that bleach. See dark skin now. Hello. See dark skin. What dark skin? Oh. If not be so now, una do not take the respect me since yesterday. I will not talk about this thing because una when see big guests, una all down her body. If not be say come result to 60,000 euro gold, I will not talk. I wish maybe the boy will give all of una belle. You know, I will not talk. I for even join the boy, mama una, because I don't know una see for dark skin body. Fair boys, they are the thief. I can why they use. If you hear them, no, may God bless all the fair boys. Finish. They know they work. And woman, they feed them. Finish. Person with a job bless not better pass with the thief. Hello? Hello, my sister. Tell your boyfriend here they work and leave her. It's better than that one we be talking about better pass. Hello, your boyfriend. They say something. They say something they happen for her to maybe call your boyfriend if you know one. No? Ojima, stealing is not good. It is better you are a jobless man than you steal. Una too like dark skin guys. No girl want that fair boys again. Una can't leave the fair boys for. You are una go no boy. The first one I first time be say you see. Don't act as a rich. I know say they'll still cut here go put for TikTok now. Where have a few, huh? Don't see if you didn't know boy for this Euro, even if you get money, you get good. No let am too know, no let am sabi you. The boy don already dey map una for ground. Even when I go dey talk, the things when I go dey talk, go say, oh, this one you get money. Now make the boy fit go do una wetin he do una. You see one woman just now like cause it 30,000 euro. E be like say if the boy thief, after some time he go pack low for a while. That's why I put the picture for here now. I no want say tomorrow somebody will still cry out again say this boy dupe me. Oh, I don't put am for here now. Make people know. Now they look for a family house for Nigeria. Imagine now, innocent father, innocent mama now go come dey collect for wetin pikin do. Innocent mama now, soldier go dey push him head. Innocent papa wey just dey come from farm, wey say make he still relax. Soldier go use koboko take weapon now, old as those parents with Nigeria now. This idiot, this mugu. The girl, and you should see the girl, very fair girl. That kind of fair girl still get the man to tell you say he go date you, make you come greet her. Belgium girls are the best. My ex, I dey talk every time. Belgium, don't let Belgium girl date. If you date Belgium girl, you don't blow. I don't say more go shop their money. They are nice people. They are nice people. If you really love them genuinely, you go enjoy them. Belgium girls, now they know how they enjoy. The 3 countries where they enjoy for this Europe, they so Belgium, France, Italy. Now their enjoyment dey. Germany, now on a story for another day. You can't still use opportunity take jam Belgium babe. You know feel long. Never till die. You went there, steal a friend's gold. You don't know say people go to suspect that a friend now. That's why they ask that why just like say he don't tell that they play. You not sure say friend go fit thief am. My sister, I'm not saying that your friend thief am o. I can never say that your friend thief am because my no reach am. But my dear, still ask your friend if he know anything about the gold. But if you say your friend don't know, no problem. It's okay. It's okay. But una way like to the date dark skin guys, una stop am. Dark skin guys with the Europe, some of them not be all. They are thieves. Flat tummy. Honey, you know that. Flat tummy boys. No, I don't need boy person with belly big. People with their belly big not the thief because they not get strength to run. Dark skin guys they do weightlifting and their belly flat and they fit and they go feel run at any given time. So the trust is yours. I just dey encourage you now where they watch me. If you like it did dark skin. The reason why I'm concerned about this is because of the gold. Not I wish I want gold the thief. If I not talk about them. The gold when it thief, it's too much. And as I post the picture now, you see somebody begin to come and say he don't fit thief $30,000. Because the way that they send me that picture, I look that picture say this picture face looks familiar. But now that girl so we call so now she not come give me money because you have to pay me for my time. Anything you want me to do. Some people will just call me, hey, partner, they owe me money. Oh, may I just send you the number? May I just send you a picture? May you post on just like that. I be your slave. You not get Facebook. May you go by yourself talking if it's easy. If you want to bring anybody issue to me, you have to pay me for my time. Because some black people they be black Jesus. If you help them, they'll tell you, say, hey, Breggy, what do you do? Use me collect view. As if today I start to deceive you. So that's why before I do anything, you have to pay me. If you don't want to pay me, then it's okay. You can go and look for another person that will do it for you for free. More than they look the boy when they date. This one not be about Belgium girls, and this one are the whole Europe, Switzerland, Germany, single girl, single mother. Look the man you date. Look the person you call my love, my darling. That's why a lot of naked videos they online today because of the way some boys they take advantage of now. If some girls just see prick, It's some girls just still prick. They don't know whether their mama they die. They don't even know whether anything that's it. They're not confused for life. But usually if the boy come they suck. Say the boy they suck there, forget. Just forget. Before those one go regain themselves, time don't go. Time don't go. Imagine now, two friends when they live jejely since then and person come they use one until they look and say, well, where can your code will go today? Where we people does you want to make two friends now come they get trust issues for each other. And they tell you say person, the thief person, they tell me whether I not go gym, I be your husband. So if you know you they talk to me, I not be your mate, eh? And they tell you say somebody thief person, they tell me say I not go gym. Now you they help me they go to the gym. And now they get respect for this TikTok. You all the right rubbish you wait to enter your hand with free Wi-Fi. May you help me come go to the gym. Since I not go to the gym again. You know, so now you are the slave for now. Who were slave now? You know, if you get as a human sympathy, say, person say he go lost. May you see talk, oh, I pity her. They tell me I don't. Grandma. Hey, my die, why so him, man? Isaiah, Eraoyi. You have to come outside and provide it. If not, if you quickly give them your papa number, I'll give them papa number. I'll give them. You know the shame? Imagine that people that this go different account, they'll come they laugh me, they don't get go and work. Good. The work on me they do, so this will be work. I'll sit down, 1,000 people go they will watch me. This all you know say it get do one like easy do one. Make call it do water a lot. Make you see how easy. Me not the thief, I not the do answer. Any money I still see for media, I still feel roll down to myself. Police don't go arrest me because I talk put. You go think I can't find out thief people go finish. If I don't lie to people, take scam they finish. You can't the phone boss, they give people lion. I don't pity this girl. Imagine, you know if you carry one of the gold, maybe you leave the rest for her. You just carry all. Post the guy. You know the same as I hold on since. Man don't they pay me. Post the guy. When I post what did you do? Not be say they laugh. Post the guy. Person on the papers. Make I'm where on one for you to say, oh, I'm pity the girl first. You pity the girl first. You understand? See how here. That. Oh yeah. Go outside. Okay, if you come here now, no expect you to go away. I'll be all those out there they do so. Oh yeah. See. Now the dark skin boy is this. You see how? You dey see how? How manage you your team? How? You don't get conscience? Hey, Zaya. Eraoyi. They say they want to sentence you to death. Behangi. Now this one girls go see they'll begin the wet. You can't see the at least. You're going to buy Brazilian hair on credit just to please this kind of mogul. Eh? You, why you not thief your babe? Men will not say that your babe you thief. You for thief your babe. You can't go to thief. Your best friend. Your babe best friend, you can't go thief. Eh? You know if you deny this one now. The girl cutie pie. Bella Kishin. OG, that cute pie for you, eh? Very cute thief. Now they call cute pair. You say very cute thief. Look at him. Very cute thief. A non-entity. A useless boy. Imagine. You don't go papa again, you be orphan. You know you pity yourself, they use and do you, make they thief people things. I mean I mood swing. Very handsome man in very handsome Omila. You what they say, post the picture, see the picture now, shopper. Yeah! Post the picture. How I do my job. This mumu, this boy, so I said I give you 24 hours. It remember that 4 hours to make out 24 hours when I give you. If you not okay, now today I do the video. Tomorrow, by this kind of time, I will so expose you. You don't know something on social media. Social media is very powerful. Now make the girl you do 30K, he can't call me just now say they find you issue in my house for Nigeria. Thief. Dragon Jerry away. You thief person 30K. Now I can't go thief person gold. The gold cost 60,000 euro. And this thing will bring problem between, if this will not bring this thing come out, I swear it will bring problem between that girl and her friend. The reason why her friend just the respect her now because he now old time friendship. I want to they accuse the friend of stealing. But if no, the boy down there, man, yeah. Not good now. The easiest way for you not to lack in life now gold business. If you get many gold, the day may God not let you broke. If you broke, you sell one, you do okay. Now very good business to the buy gold. Gold na investment. The best investment, you can't accommodate like that. Person sweat. Do you know what this girl did before she can be able to acquire such an amount of gold? Do you know the sweat? After I say you not get too talk, you not get not the like peace, you not get too like saga. Is this saga? I am exposing people for the atrocities they are committing. Now I make people not to like me. Because my own way of saga, they different. It cannot be everybody when they do saga, they okay. Some people they do saga out of depression and frustration. Me they do saga out of fun. That's why you will see now, no matter the saga I do, people go still laugh for the comment section. Why? The way and manner in which I speak, my body, my expression, and the way I talk. What do I want to hear from the guy for? A thief, a traitor, a betrayer. This was the same person that stole a woman 30,000 euro 3 years ago. That was 2022. Doesn't make sense. It doesn't. What do I want to call the guy for? One of the years say somebody say if they bring juju say he go fit say he go swear. But so they get go say na 80 fan. Then another woman come and say, I said this boy thief $30,000. 30,000 I said 30K euro no yeah. 30K euro. And I said I call waiting again. This is a thief. Who am I call? Person don't even pick a call. So if you want the best, if you want most, still come back and say you not be thief. So if you return this gold, if you return her in peace, I will stand put. The girl not go do you anything. Just of return the gold, go give her back. That is somebody investment. Even if she not carry juju, her tears alone are cost to you. Because for somebody to get that kind of gold, you know she not be today she start to buy the gold. She dey buy am small before I can reach that amount. Because it thief the 700 euro wey dey on top. How could you? How will you be so heartless? You know the right is to say you like the way God take share problem give everybody. You also the way they will thief you like her. If now you hear somebody write something, now you copy and go begin the copy, the write. You like the way God take share problem give person. No worry, the day that if you like caché, why they wish people bad? Why not get conscience? And they tell you say somebody see what they do person, if they say you like as God share problem, you cannot be your thing, not be your thing lost now. Saga is sweet, if not be you that the saga. Until the day that they saga you, then you know what it means. For 1,000 people to watch only your disgrace. Then you, from that day, you go begin to coordinate yourself. Which God share problem give you now? So then they blow lie. Na lie, so tey na God na call the lie for your head. I beg, if you know this boy, write me. If you know where the whereabout. If na girl still put her for us, sister, you not get TikTok for your phone. If you not get TikTok, download. Make you say that boy they look say dark skin. Na tifo. Na thief. Because some of them, if now see this guy in dark skin boy, you not go on TikTok again. Now you're the knack bola. The bola beluwa. Why we need him? Now let God know that I don't even sleep with the gear before he thief these people. Dark skin. Wow. You know the bleach. See her here. Very cute thief. I'll do a VAT for this boy later. Hey, dark skin guys in the webo. Hey, dark skin guys part 1 or 2. Well, yeah. Or you have to go to the Avenger. Or Jack mo jelly me. Hey, a dark skin guys. A dark skin guys. G. See them. See one here. See their replica here. See their twin brother here. Nonsense. Rubbish. A care is left. But do a care will not give you problem. Do a care will not take call you say be a woman. Do a care with people not till they use thief the wife of a thief till they look you. I beg. I use God beg you now. See I don't want to take so that I'll fit download the video, post down. This is it here. I beg you in God's name, please, please, and please. If you know the whereabouts of this guy, let me know. Please. Thank you for the gift, Alushi. I appreciate it.